What's up, guys? Welcome back to Super Duper Garage. Have you guys ever wondered what's inside your battery for your power tool? I have a couple batteries for my DeWalt that have stopped working and stopped charging. So I decided, what the heck, I'll tear them apart, see what's inside, and kind of compare the difference between the two since they're actually two different sizes. One is a 5 amp hour and one is a 6 amp hour, even though they're both 20 volts system batteries. So I got them tore apart. I'm going to take just a quick look at it, just kind of show you guys what they are. To get them off, you do need Torx to get these tiny little screws, but you need the Torx with the hole in the end, which is a royal pain in the butt, but had to go borrow one of those from a neighbor since I didn't have that set. Stupid thing, and I didn't want to go buy one just to take these apart. But let's take a look. Real simple. So this is the 5 amp hour one. You see the circuit board. You see the lithium ion batteries kind of stacked, 5 on each side, double stacked. I didn't pull this one out just so you guys can kind of see it encased. This is the 6 amp one. Now, I was kind of wondering if they might be the same batteries, just stacked differently, but they are not. So these are actually much larger batteries, but again, 5 across, just stacked, and you see how they're kind of put together to make everything work. Good circuit board. This one still will light up, act like there's power. But no matter what I do with this one, I could not get it to charge. I cannot get it to work. If I put it in something, there's no power, no nothing. So, yeah, kind of interesting. I know stuff dies after time, and sometimes there's no real reason why. But I thought it was kind of interesting pulling these apart just to kind of see what the difference is between the 5 amp hour and the 6 amp hour DeWalt is. And I know they have a new power stack, which I've heard are like plates instead of, you know, the individual kind of battery style. So I don't have any of those to tear apart to look at. And if I have one of my Milwaukee batteries die, I'll tear apart one of those and show you. So if you found that interesting, let me know. I thought it was kind of cool to see the difference. And if you have any way to get one of these to come back to life, let me know also. But enjoy, guys. Thank you.